Debunking common myths about happiness. The first myth: happiness is the absence of negative emotions. One of the common myths about happiness is that it is simply the absence of negative emotions such as sadness, anger, or fear. However, happiness is not the absence of negative emotions, but rather the presence of positive emotions and an overall sense of well-being. It is a complex emotional state that includes experiencing a range of emotions and being able to navigate and manage them effectively. The second myth: happiness is constant and permanent. Another prevalent myth is that happiness is a constant and permanent state that, once achieved, remains unaffected by external circumstances. In reality, happiness is a dynamic and fluctuating experience influenced by various factors. It is normal to experience ups and downs in life, and happiness is not immune to these fluctuations. It is essential to acknowledge and accept the flow of emotions while actively working towards cultivating happiness as a sustainable state of being. The third myth: happiness depends solely on external factors. Many people believe that happiness solely depends on external factors such as wealth, status, or material possession. While external circumstances can influence our well-being to some extent, research has shown that they have a relatively limited impact on long-term happiness. Studies have consistently indicated that once basic needs are met, increase in material wealth have diminishing returns in terms of happiness. In reality, internal factors such as mindset, attitude, gratitude, and relationship plays a more significant role in sustaining happiness. The fourth myth: happiness is achieved by achieving goals. There is a common misconception that happiness is achieved only by reaching a specific goals or milestones, such as getting promotion, buying a house, achieving certain level of success. While setting and achieving goals can bring accomplishment and temporary happiness, true and lasting happiness goes beyond external achievement. It involves finding joy in the journey, appreciating the present moment, and cultivating a positive mindset irrespective of specific outcomes. The fifth myth: happiness is selfish and self-centered. Some individuals believe that pursuing happiness is a selfish and self-centered endeavor that neglects the well-being of others. However, research has consistently shown that happiness is not a zero-sum game. When individuals prioritize their happiness and well-being, it positively impacts their relationship, work, and the larger community. Happy individuals are more likely to engage in acts of kindness, empathy, and altruism, contributing to a more harmonious and compassionate society. The sixth myth: happiness is a destination. Many people view happiness as a destination or a future point they will eventually reach. This myth suggests that once certain conditions are met or certain goals are achieved, happiness will be attained. However, happiness is not a destination but a continuous journey. It is a state of mind and being that can be cultivated and experienced in the present moment. Happiness is found in embracing the present moment, appreciating life's small joys, and developing a positive and grateful mindset. In conclusion, debunking these common myths about happiness allows us to develop a more accurate understanding of what happiness truly entails. It is not the absence of negative emotions, a constant state, or is solely dependent on external factors. By dispelling these myths, we can cultivate a more authentic and sustainable happiness that enriches our lives and the lives of those around us.